Hello and welcome to another series on global politics. Our today's session revolves around the Shanghai Cooperation Organization's institutional framework, its primary objectives as per the organization's charter, the rationale behind convening the Heads of State Summit every year, and finally, significance of the SCO to Pakistan. Reckoning with basics first to that effect, created in 1996 as an institutional arrangement to cultivate border security cooperation and build bridges of confidence between members, the SCO today operates as a non-Western platform, envisioning collective efforts aimed at acquiring shared prosperity. The organization's adherence over the years to norms of customary international law accelerated its numerical strength and rallied planetary support for its greater cause. As time passed by and its membership mushroomed, so did its scope and substance, in that it progressed from being a mere deliberating body to serving as a multilateral Eurasian platform. As drivers of its raison d'etre, the organization attaches strategic value to economic integration over detachment, collectivism over individualism, comprehensive human welfare over zero-sum state security, and finally, cross-cultural meaningful transactions over clash of civilizations. In fact, today the organization represents the world's largest regional bloc or regional framework in terms of its population and geography, acting both as a security bloc as well as economic and diplomatic forum.